In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create illustrated storyboards with Google Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your Gemini account, find the right creative tool, craft effective prompts, and review the storyboard Gemini generates for you. Start by opening your Gemini account. Use a modern browser, sign in, and make sure you've got a stable internet connection. A desktop or laptop gives you the most comfortable view for storyboards, since you'll be scanning text and images side by side. Once you're in, click on Gems. Think of Gems as Gemini's creative shortcuts, pre-built spaces designed to help you produce specific types of content quickly. You'll see different options here, each tailored to a kind of task. From there, click Storybook. This opens a workspace focused on building illustrated storyboards from your ideas. You should see a prompt area where you can tell Gemini what you want, and often a set of suggested prompts that can help you get started. In the prompt box, enter your own instructions. Be as clear and specific as you can. If you already have a plot in mind, mention the core idea, the setting, and the tone. If you know how many scenes you want, include that number. Add a short description of your main characters, note any important visual cues, and call out the style you prefer, whether it's whimsical watercolor, bold comic panels, or a minimalist look. Concise sentences usually work best. For example, you might write a brief overview for the whole storyboard, then add a line or two about the mood and any recurring details you want to see across scenes. You'll also notice suggested prompts in this area. These are helpful if you need inspiration. You can choose one as is or adapt it to better match your story, audience, or visual style. Either way, your goal is to give Gemini enough context to produce a consistent sequence of illustrated panels. After you submit your prompt, Gemini will generate results based on what you wrote. Give it a moment. You'll see a storyboard layout with scene descriptions and matching illustrations, arranged in a logical flow from beginning to end. Finally, review what Gemini created. Read through the text for clarity, check that the sequence makes sense, and make sure the visuals align with your intended style and character details. Look for continuity from panel to panel. Consistent outfits, settings, and lighting help your story feel cohesive. If something isn't quite right, note what you'd refine in your prompt next time, such as tightening the tone, specifying a time of day, or simplifying character traits. And that's it, your illustrated storyboard with Google Gemini, from prompt to polished preview.